Looking for land that's private, accessible, and ready for whatever you want to build. This is 75955 Science Hill Road in Kimbolton, Ohio. 5 unrestricted acres with solid road frontage and quick access to Interstate 77. Whether you're heading to Cambridge, Zanesville, or even Columbus, you're on the road in seconds. The land sits in a clean, open stretch, easy to pull into, easy to develop, and electric is already available at the road. That means no delays, no major setup, just bring your vision. This property is well positioned for anyone looking to build a home, set up a shop, park a camper, or simply own land that holds its value. The terrain is gently rolling, which gives you great drainage, multiple build sites, and plenty of room to spread out. The soil types are solid. Whether you're planning to raise animals, start a garden, or just let the land breathe, you've got a good foundation. Location matters, and this one delivers. You're just 15 minutes from Cambridge, where you'll find essentials like groceries, healthcare, and hardware. Salt Fork State Park is nearby, with 17,000 acres of trails, water, and open air. And Columbus, just over an hour away. This is a versatile, low-maintenance piece of land in a spot that makes sense. It's easy to reach, easy to build on, and easy to picture as your next move. No restrictions, good road access, utilities close by, and the kind of space that's getting harder to find. If you're ready to see it in person or want more details, reach out to Tyler Haessly, your trusted Ohio land pro at Buckeye Land Sales, 740-525-4582.